Okay, so we're going to be doing another twist out, and on this twist out we're going to be using a protein-based styling milk. It is formulated to strengthen the hair. I don't really use protein-based products. I use more moisture-based products on my hair, so I'm interested to see how this works in my hair. Previously on my twist out I used more of a smoothie. I used the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and if you watch that video, you know I had like really big hair. I had lots of volume, but not much definition. So I determined that milks and lotions are probably better for my low porosity hair. So I found a protein-based milk, and it is by Proclaim. And I am very interested to see how my hair will react to this, because it's going to provide strength, and it's supposedly going to provide moisture. And it's a milk, which is what I said my hair prefers. So hopefully we're gonna get some really good results. If you have a hard time getting your twist to hold, you can put a bobby pin on the end while it's setting, and that will help keep it secure. And also, if you have a hard time, if your ends are a little bit frizzy and they don't curl on their own, you can use a rat tail comb and detangle. And then you can actually finger coil with the comb. And then use your finger and coil it even more until it forms the ringlet that you desire. So, so far I'm really liking this Proclaim Strengthening Hair Milk. I like that it's not so watery that it doesn't feel like it's penetrating my hair. It actually feels like it's coating the hair strands, and it's not just sitting on top of the hair strands. Like, as you can see, you don't even see the residue on my hair, which is really rare when I'm using products. Like, I always have so much residue, like it's clearly white and you can clearly see it on my hair. But with this, it's actually absorbing, which I love. Okay, so I'm a little surprised that my hair isn't more moisturized considering how smooth and easy the Proclaim strengthening milk went on my hair. I was expecting it to be super juicy and moisturized and have little to no frizz. It is a bit frizzy and it's not as soft as I was expecting. So the product is very lightweight, which of course I thought was good, but now that I see it actually didn't moisturize my hair as well as I thought it would have, so I'm a little disappointed in that. But overall, my hair looks good. My twist out came out good, so I am still happy. I'm gonna rock this style for a few days, and that's that.
Lead them from temptation, make them royalty. All the things we face and make us question it. Lead us to salvation, pour that oil, please. That's how we become kings.